Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and we are at a very interesting graveyard cemetery, and where the Great Explosion happened in April 1916. I've got the board in front of me. I've got pictures. You can take a look, and you can look yourself. There was an explosion at Company Works at Upleys, just north of Faversham, and it took 73 people's lives, and there's another 35 that were missing due to the explosion. No parts were never found. They did a mass burial. Some of them aren't here. Some of them the families came, collected and took home. Others, like I said, they were never, the bodies were never found. But the ones that were, are all buried in a mass grave. So I'm going to show you that. Yeah, and just remember, take each day as it comes. Love everyone, because you never know what's going to happen. This was a complete and utter shock to everybody. This should never have happened. The shockwaves apparently were felt up north for several minutes, so it was one huge explosion. Alright, let's go and have a look. Now, just behind here, if I can get through. Squeeze. Yeah. This is just full of bodies. These are the bodies that were taken elsewhere to be buried by family members. The rest of them are in here, and their names are exactly where their bodies are. So that one would be there, and you go along. RDP Reader, he's in there, and then opposite side it would come out the other way. Such a shame. It's a tragic accident. It took out a few buildings. Obviously it took out the main building and surrounding buildings. Some buildings were just left in ruins, and yeah, they buried these in 1916. Then 1917 is when they put this up. My battery's already dying. I'm only going to get a little bit of video because I didn't bring any batteries with me. Just going to try this next phonics before my batteries go. Are any of the victims of the explosion here? Have you got any messages for your families? It's never done that before. That noise. There's 73 of you in there. Has any one of you got a message for us? Do you remember anything of that day? Was it that quick? Do you realise what's happened to you? That must have been horrendous. What memories do you have of that day? Do you mind being in a mass grave? Would you rather have been buried separately? It means no one can forget what happened. Right, I'm going to go now and I'm going to come back with some more charged batteries. Because you've just drained my battery power. I'll come and talk to you again soon, yeah?